Hi, I'm Pam Sullivan and I'm an OBGYN. Well, when I was a kid, I wanted to be a teacher. And my mother, who's probably the biggest influence in my life, was a labor and delivery nurse. So I don't know why I was trying to buck, the family tradition. Anyway, she kind of talked to me about her job and stuff, and it was sort of interesting to me, but I still wanted to be a teacher. Until 7th grade when I dissected frogs, and I thought that was the coolest thing I'd ever done. So then I said, okay, I'm going to be a nurse. And like my mom, and my mom said, no, you can't be a nurse. And I said, well, but I want to be a nurse. I said, I'll be a doctor. She says, okay, you can be a doctor. So then that was always my dream since 13. I initially chose pediatrics and then had my pediatric rotation in med school and hated it, absolutely hated it. I didn't even like it a little bit, and then I was very sad because I thought, what am I going to do for my living? So then I saw my first baby being born, and the mom was kind of emotional and crying, just tearful, and so she's crying, and then I started crying, and I thought, okay, this is it. Anything that can make me just have this much emotion, this is what I want to do. My favorite place I traveled to came on just by complete accident. My husband said for his 40th birthday that he wanted to go fishing. I couldn't think of anything that sounded more awful than fishing. And he said he wanted to go to Table Rock Lake, which is far away. There's a lot closer lakes than Table Rock Lake. And he said, no, that's where I want to go. So I came into the office the next day all sort of dejected and asking people who knew anything about Table Rock Lake. And they said, Big Cedar Lodge, hello. And I thought, okay, well, I don't know anything about that. So looked it up, and we went down there, and it's kind of a luxury resort with a spa. So I thought, okay, fishing for him, spa for me. It was perfect, and it's just the most peaceful, relaxing, beautiful place that I know. I've been all over the world. That's still my favorite place. My favorite band is Pink Floyd, believe it or not. I actually saw them one time live at the Hoosier Dome in Indiana in the 90s. And then, of course, they're an old band, so they don't tour anymore. But they have El Monstero now, which is a Pink Floyd tribute band. And I see them at least twice a year at the pageant at Christmas. And they just had a concert, a drive-in concert because of COVID. So that was kind of a new experience. Everybody sat like next to their cars with their coolers and stuff and watched them on stage and socially distanced. It was very, very odd, but still great. Well, if I had to sing karaoke, I think I'd pick Sister Sledge, We Are Family, and then I would invite all of my family up to the stage and to sing with me, and it would just be a riot, and we'd be hugging and laughing.